First, unplug your chiller. Second, close both valves on the back of the vessel. Next, unscrew the blue filter housing on the back of the chiller and replace it with a new filter. Then reattach the blue filter housing. If you're having difficulty loosening or tightening the blue filter housing by hand, you can use the black filter wrench to help loosening or tightening if needed. Before plugging the chiller back in, ensure that both gray valves are open. Wait for all the bubbles, if you have any, and then replug the chiller back in.